Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and yes, my hair is gone and the beard is gone. In today's video we are going shopping up the north. Calling up to Jonathan Hamilton Machinery in Magherafelt. We have bought a machine off and we're going to pick that up. That is this video, and we'll also have a look around at everything he has there, because you never know. The last time we went up to buy something, we come home with a 20-foot silage trailer, but anyways, you never know. But anyways, that is what we are doing today. So new bit of kit. So if you want to guess what we're after buying, leave a comment in the description down below. And yeah, we have a good 2.5 hours or nearly 3 hours ahead of us, so we'll be on up the road. So we're just coming up to the invisible border in Ireland, and this is Middleton, is it?
Well, it's a little border. It's the border checkpoint before the village of Middleton. Used to be. That was the old.
That's it there.
Old checkpoint there.
And that's all it is. Now we're in Northern Ireland.
In Northern Ireland now.
Miles an hour and pounds.
Yeah. And the border. I don't remember that border.
Yeah.
The border I remember was actually at the village of Middleton, beside an army base.
Yeah.
There were a couple of miles further on. That one got removed several times, so they moved it from there.
Yeah, to the army base.
To the army base.
So that was never really running when you used to be?
Not when I was driving, no.
So we're here in Hamilton's Machinery, and this is shopping. This is what we call shopping, Liv.
Shocking clean machinery.
Yeah. It is just 1365 John Deere Moors. Or Great Moor. Yeah. Yeah. They're ones with the gearbox rather than our one that has the straight through. You turn right round.
You turn on yourself.
No,
you just shut your eyes and pick at them.
Yeah. Trail harvesters. 902 Mangels.
King of the road one time, the 900s.
Oh, we have one.
Yeah. Same as that one.
Yeah.
Long drawbar.
Oh, there's a long and a short drawbar.
The older one was a shorter drawbar.
Yeah.
A considerably shorter drawbar in the older harvesters, and a slightly narrower pickup in the older 900s.
Big square baler. And that has a big square baler.
That's the big 4x4.
Yeah. Five inline baler.
Here we are now.
Because there's two old machines there.
Bunchers or something.
Huh?
I think they would call them bunchers.
Bunchers.
Bunched straw up in the sort of a round bale type of thing.
Right.
So you take the big line of straw, they say.
Yeah.
But they went through that big welders and cases.
Yeah. And there.
We went to the skip.
What
pick up in it.
Yeah.
No bother handling a
20-foot head.
20 or more. 25 foot. No bother handling.
There's another big square bed, huh? There's a potato grater here too. A potato grater. No, like a real industrious one. Like a real industrious one. Here's another one. Potato grater. And there's another one behind that again. I know, it's fun. See what it's doing. Yes. What is it? 14 cubic meter. 18 foot. Was for the front links. Carry with your cedar. Yeah.
Oh, we wandered up through the area.
Completely different the new class rakes compared to ours where the shaft goes underneath.
Ah, yeah, no, the whole thing's overhead.
Some amount of combines. All New Hollands.
Yep.
Yeah.
Left out anyway.
No.
That was a fine number of shade.
This is a great shed. They're big for a mower compared to the cone. Yeah. That's a big over there.
Your horses and horses.
35 would be well able for it. There's a fair stone cart.
Yeah.
This is a big girl.
You might be filming off the shores, huh?
Yeah.
There's tailors, so sure, they're just like brand new, but they're used.
A 6 rower. suppose the reason they fold in is like that is so they're not as high.
Yeah.
But then that'll be wider than the one we're after buying, isn't
I
it?
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
That's 7 metre, 7 by 7 metre, which works the 10 foot swart better. I bet you ours won't work the 10 foot swart that well.
That'll work out. We'll make it work out. Beat chopping it. It's a fair old set of ring rollers back there. Are they ring rollers?
Yeah, yeah.
See the tooth area it has. Pick up whatever you want.
Oh, it's on it.
Yeah. It'll be a deadly handy yoke on the telly. Okay, one.
That's a really good one.
What's it called? Enquiries.
Probably the fair way.
So we are now home, back in the lovely clean yard. Anyways, so get this grass harrow off. We'll probably put on one of the tractors just to unfold it and see how it kind of works and go through it. But just on, it's this time of the year we tend to buy a bit of kit every year. Last year we bought silage trailer and a front mower and whatnot, but we also have bought another bit of kit. It's not over exciting. No, it's not a tractor. We bought a 6-rotor tether, a crone, and yes, you might be saying crone or green. Well, this is that hold. It's a red crone. So it's fairly basic crone rake, and just we don't know what year it is behind the manufacturer plate. It says West Germany, made in West Germany. So working off the assumption that is pre-Berlin Wall, that makes it a machine before like mid-80s ish. I have no idea. If anyone wants to let me know when did crone go from red to being green, please let us know, because we actually have no idea and I cannot find it anywhere online. But it's a local man brought in a few tethers and we bought one off him. Look, I know it's not new and it's not shiny, but it'll do exactly what we need it to do, and it's all set up ready to go. So we just need to knock a bit of grass to use it. Also, it has the unfolding on the hydraulics, but then it also turned that tap and you can turn the wheels on it, so it'll go from being straight to kicking back, so it'll kick back the grass when doing the headland run, or that's what I assume that is for. But yeah, so new bit of kit. It is what it is, and it's going to be an extra tool in our kit for doing silage for ourselves, for others, and for making hay, because we intend on making a good bit of hay this year. Anyways, we get this machine unraveled. Going out. So this is the machine. Just put into the meal shed. That's your hopper. So it's run by 2 electric fans, and it's a hydraulic unfolding, all brand new tines on it, all adjustable, and yeah, that's it. There's not much else to say about it, is there?
No, it's set for guys, set for whatever. You have to look up and see what it's set there at whatever 30. That's your settings for your
the amount of sea going out.
amount of sea going out. You know, it depends on what you're at. Like, we want that for the stitch in after you cut silage now.
Yeah. So
Rejuvenate new grass.
I suppose you're asking why did we buy it, and we bought it as one of the local dairy farmers that we done reseeding for in the past. He bought a 3-metre one, and he was stitching in paddocks after cows were grazing them to rejuvenate them, and we thought it'd just be a great job for, especially we have.
You don't need a plough or till.
Yeah, it's no till. That is literally a no till machine.
Just stitch it in.
We've quite a bit of rented ground and silage ground, and the cost of
they're level enough. They just need new grassing.
It's the cost of reseeding silage ground that you don't own. The likes of that machine takes nearly all the cost out of it. It's a very, very low input, high output kind of a machine, and that's what we bought it for, to rejuvenate a lot of our silage ground. And we're going to trial out different ways of doing it, so you get to see it. There's a paddock we're going to Lemkin, and we're going to do, and we've a bottoms of one of the fields that was flooded, that the grass is completely dead in. We're going to stitch in a bit with that, and then when it comes to the silage, we're going to try a bit, spray off a bit and stitch it, and then not spray off a bit and stitch it, and see what it's like. And obviously, as we are contractors, if anyone is interested in getting a bit of work done, because it takes a lot of the expense out of doing a bit of reseeding, especially when you'd have no tilling to be done, no leveling, when you're just going straight in, quick, easy, out the door, nice and handy. If you're interested in looking at getting a bit of work like that done, hit me up in my emails. There's a link. Email address is in the description down below, or on Facebook or wherever. 6-metre machine, so won't find getting through the work. But anyways, that is really it. There's not much else to say about it, is there? No. So yeah, that is the machine. Big thanks to Hamilton for letting us video go around his yard and whatnot, and we may have looked at another machine while we were there, and maybe something coming down the line, but that is a story for another day. And it's one of these things my father would say, it's a need to know basis, and you don't need to know yet. But anyways, so yeah, straight else, no, that is it. So anyways, that is the machine we're after buying. So yeah, if you want to check out Hamilton Machinery, I leave a link or a phone number in the description down below. If you've seen anything while we're walking around that you're interested in, just, you know, he done us a decent turn on this, so we'd give him a decent turn on that. But anyways, that is it from me. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. That is it from me. Good luck.